獨自
alone.
跟團體合作相比，佳佳更傾向於獨自工作，因為她可以自己掌控進度，避免討論延遲，而且不用依賴他人。但是，團體合作也有優點，例如可以集合不同人的觀點，創作出更具創意的作品。
Compared with group work, Freya prefers to work alone because she can control her own pace, avoid delays caused by discussions, and does not need to rely on others. However, group work also has its advantages. For example, by combining different people's ideas, the team can create more creative work.